Hi ladies and gentlemen, today we'll have some quick review of Salomon SPIKECROSS 6 GORE-TEX unisex trail running shoe. They are available in blue green and in red black. Of course, I prefer, this is actually Colhide Black Fairy Coral, Black Turf the Web Green Gecko is my color. I really like this one more. What's interesting about this, they doesn't have any laces. Laces are integrated into the shoes. I will show you in a moment. They have tungsten spikes. They are great for ice and also for snow. Takes the seasonability out. SPIKECROSS 6 GORE-TEX takes the seasonability out of your training schedule. Built on a tried and tested speed, scored fit and full GORE-TEX coverage. Extreme winter weather and 12 tungsten spikes for reliable grip and variety of wintery terrain, from soft to icy and everything in. Snow grip protection, 2-3 runs per week. Moderate cushioning, shoe with standard drop. So basically I have GORE-TEX, so basically these are for snow and ice, first of all, which is important because, as you know, in the snow and ice it's very slippery. We have quick lace system. As a lacing system, we have textile lining, inlay sole, outsole rubber, synthetic textile upper. We have shoe wide standard, cushioning moderate, soft and protective cushioning that doesn't sacrifice energy and turn in response. They look also cool, but the more important, they doesn't give you, they're wet proof with GORE-TEX technology, weather protection. A full GORE-TEX boot, it keeps full feet protective and wet extreme winter weather condition. That's the best. Winter grip, winter contra grip compound ensures thickness and adhesive even freezing temperature, backed by a team of 12 tungsten spikes. For grip in soft compact snow and ice, I plan to run and to walk with these when there is snow and ice. Let me show you the shoes itself. Here is their box, as you can see. We have Salomon here, logo. No fancy box, nothing special. Here we have the size. We have the model SPIKECROSS 6 GTX, Black Surf the Web Green Greco, made in Vietnam. Here are the shoes itself. This is the left one. This is the right one. See, contra grip. Here are the 12 tungsten spikes. Here it is. Very, very nice. I never owned Salomon before, but I really like their design because the other brands doesn't have such technologies. I mean, they have some spikes, but they're low quality. Of course, you don't need to use these on normal terrain because the tungsten will wear out. Guaranteed to keep you dry. GORE-TEX product, Gore. Here we have explanation how lacing system works. Here we have some label. And what we have inside. Inside we have this junk. I call it junk, but it's a paper actually. Paper to keep the shape. So let me try them for you. Here is the quick lacing system. I also never had such shoes, so I will need some time in order to get used to this system. Actually, you press here and you move it. see. And you can also hide it here in the pocket. Here is the pocket where you can hide this system, once you tighten it up, of course. Here we have label Salomon Hole, something like that. So it's hard the first time. It's always hard because okay, they fit my leg. Great shoes, very stable. Also the front is very solid. Here is some type of rubber, or I don't know, I mean it's rubber and textile. Here we also have some textile, so it's also not very heavy. I expected more heaviness, but so I would rate this 8 out of 10. Hopefully they will last, but based on these materials, GORE-TEX is very solid and I quite like it. So also here we have Salomon logo. Also have some here some solid material. So also this cushioning is very solid. So I think this shoe will last a couple of years at least. So if you like my videos, keep watching them, subscribing, and I highly recommend this. It's not paid review, I simply made selection from Nike, Adidas and other brands, ASICS, and this was the only thing which was high-end and good enough for my attention and my money. Thank you, keep watching, sharing, subscribe, until next time.